Are you ready for a star-spangled celebration? Well, I've got the thing just for you. Our 2021 limited edition Liberty Box is here, so let's unbox it. The box includes a full quilt kit featuring the Land of Liberty collection by Riley Blake Designs. The kit includes a 10-inch stacker of 12 patriotic prints and the fabrics to complete your quilt top and binding. Next up, we've designed these Liberty woven quilt labels so you can show off your American spirit on every project you make. Each label is double-sided and the pack includes 12 labels. And who doesn't love a little home decor? We certainly do, and this one-of-a-kind chalky painted wooden tray will look amazing in any space. And we had to include my favorite quilting thread, which is Aurifil. This exclusive thread set can only be found in the Liberty Box, and it packs quite the value. It includes 5 patriotic colors in 50 weight, which will blend right in to your Land of Liberty stacker. To round out this box, we've designed a Liberty Box exclusive pattern called Stars and Stripes. You can use the quilt as a wall hanging, table topper, or drape your quilt over your armchair. The Liberty Box's value is $77, so when you purchase this box at Fat Quarter Shop, you save $29. The Liberty Box is limited supply, and when it's gone, so get it today at Fat Quarter Shop.